Hi, first of all, hi. Good to see you. Thanks for watching this video. I just want to briefly talk about how film photography has impacted my life, especially this past year. And I think there's three main impacts that I've seen that I want to chat about. So the first one being how it just influenced and changed the way that I perceive photography and how I take photos and how I navigate gear and how I look at lighting now and exposure. But film photography in a lot of ways, it slows you down and it forces you to be more intentional. And so because of the way that the medium works, it's had a huge impact on how I take photos, both professionally and personally. And so that's the first thing is film photos and film photography has really just changed the trajectory of my photo career and how I take photos. That's the first impact. The second impact is it's really allowed me to connect with people that I don't think I would have connected with otherwise. And I'm not talking about my circle of friends here because we all shoot film, but I'm talking about other people on social media, on the internet, and the amount of conversations I've had on Twitter, on Instagram, on YouTube because of film photography. And the people that I've been able to connect with and become friends with has been incredible. And I really do owe a large part of that happening this past year to film. That's the second thing. I've just been able to meet some really cool people doing really awesome things because of film photography. And then the last thing is on a personal level, I've never taken so many photos of my family and what happens in my personal life up until getting into film photography. Although I'm a large and huge advocate for taking photos on your phone and video on your phone, I've just never taken so many photos of my life than I have in this past year. And it's all because of film photography, because of my enjoyment of shooting film, but also my curiosity with different film stocks and different cameras. Yeah, that's the third impact is I've really just never documented my personal life as much as I have this past year. And so it's been a lot of fun to see the photos I've taken this past year and to reminisce and look back on what's happened. That's all I really wanted to talk about. I want to show you guys some photos I've taken this past year because I'm terrible at showing the photos that I've taken on film. And although I've shown photos through YouTube videos in the past and on Twitter, on Instagram, the majority of photos that I've taken on film, you guys haven't seen. I'm just going to show you guys some photos I've taken in the past year, past 6 months, this past summer, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'll see you guys after you guys see the photos I've taken. All right. See you soon. Hi. again, I really just feel like I've grown so much this year as an artist and as just a creative individual because of film photography. And I just want to share that with you guys. Like I've mentioned in very recent previous videos, I am trying to get to 1,000 subs before the end of the year. Would love your support. If you like the videos that I put out, I would love a sub to my channel and a like on this video. I'll keep it going. I plan on making a video every week, at least until the end of this year, just to keep the momentum going. And I've got some fun videos lined up coming up, so keep a lookout for those. Otherwise, again, thank you so much for your support, for watching my weird videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye. You thought I was gonna go like this, shout and be like really loud in your ear. No, just woo. Yeah, that's it. Cool. Bye.